Hey folks, Florida Trailblazer here, checking in with you here in Three Lakes Wildlife Management Area. I'm on part of this trail known as the Sunset Ranch Interpretive Trail. And there are some swamps along this prairie, which is pretty vast. And this is one of them. I'm walking through this boardwalk right now through a swamp here. It's very scenic. It's just a short little boardwalk. Looks like it leads you back up onto this trail into this oak hammock. There's so many areas to explore here, and there's at least 60,000 acres or so of land, and multiple miles of trails, including part of the Florida Trail. And this trail, as I mentioned, is the Sunset Ranch Trail. And it's right off the main road, I think County Road 523 it is. It's a trailhead right there. Keep going up that road, there's another trailhead that takes you into the prairie. This actually takes you out to Lake Marion.